Okay, today we're going to have a look at a Kellenberger. This is a Swiss-made ID/OD universal cylindrical grinder. This is model 1000U. That means you have 1000 millimeters between centers. Also, this has a factory set of riser blocks, a matched set of factory riser blocks from the manufacturer. Machine can be rotated around. The headstock can be rotated around, and there's an ID grinding spindle. Also, we have an adapter that goes on here and a guard for face grinding if you wanted to have your wheel going this way, mounted over here. So the machine has a lot of different functions you can do with it, but it's a pretty good OD grinder as it is. This is a taper number 3 in here and a Morse taper number 5 in the headstock. I have a reduction sleeve in there now that goes from 5 to 3. It's very convenient. You don't have to buy that great big center. It's a 16-inch grinding wheel. Machine is wired for 220 volts. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Switches are over here. That's the hydraulic pump. That's the wheel head. Now you've got traverse, you've got plunge, you've got picking on the left, picking on the right, picking on both sides. But for right now, we'll just do a quick automatic cycle. That means when I throw this lever over, the headstock's going to start to rotate, the head's going to move in, and the feed is going to start to go. Feed is going to start to go. There we go. So this knob here controls the feed rate. I can turn that down to have it shut off like I just did, or turn it up. And this is your dead stop pin here. Let me retract this again and make sure I have that on. All right, so now we're coming in from about 12 thousandths away from the workpiece. We're feeding down to 0. That's 0 there. And it automatically kicks out on its own. We'll do that one more time. I can adjust the speed, go fast, go slow. Okay, so we come down to 0, stops, up against the dead stop. The amount of time that it stays in is adjustable from a couple of seconds to 30, 40 seconds. If you wanted to do traverse grinding in between centers, left and right grinding, we call that. We got to turn our table speed on. We come in again. Now we've got the table working, and we feed a little bit at each table reversal. Now I can set this up so it only feeds on the right side or only feeds on the left side. I can increase the amount that it feeds, and I can also incorporate dwell on the left side and the right side. And that'll feed like that down to 0. And we'll just send it back for now. Now we're going to shut down, and we're going to come back in another video and show you how it is when we set it up for the ID grinding. Thank you.